Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use all-four templates for Instagram stories. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Unfold app. Now tap Story to create an Instagram story. Next, you will see many ready-made templates. Scroll left or right to browse them. Each template has a different style: minimal, modern, and creative. Tap on the templates you like. Some templates are free and some are by premium. Once selected, tap Add Media. Your photo or video will automatically fit in the template. To add text, tap on the text area or the text icon. Type any message and adjust font size, text style, color and position. You can move items by dragging them and resizing by pinching the screen. Take your time and make it look like perfect. When you are finished, tap the download or share icon at the top. Choose save to phone or save to Instagram stories directly. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. You found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.